Most cars are restored, but this car was reimagined. Reimagined by none other than Singer themselves. Every once in a while, a client will go to Singer and say, build me a car that is exclusively unique to me. And this is what we've achieved with this Singer Classic. This car is finished in what they call NATO Dark Green, which is a paint to sample color, along with beautiful nickel finishes, which you'll see around the car, but it just kind of ties perfectly with the tan interior, green body. It's just a classic and timeless combination. Singer builds about 100 cars each year. Each one is a commission, and each one is someone's obsession made into a real dream. The interior is where you really understand who ordered this car. You have Monument Valley leather as the base, a Momo Prototipo steering wheel, along with a wood Le Mans style shifter. This is the 4C's one-of-one Singer Classic. This beautiful Singer Classic is now available on RM Sothebys sealed, so if you have any questions wanting to learn more about the car, how to bid, please contact me or any of our representatives and we're happy to help.